my god. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Tonight it's gonna be a late night vlog. It's like 11 p.m. I went to the lake today, you know, had my fun. You know, I was like, why not go out tonight, take the car out, because, you know, I'm only gonna use it today and tomorrow. And then my friend Parker is gonna put some new tires on for me, because I ordered new tires because your guys, like, bro, I don't know why I'm out of breath, dude. Yeah, I don't think I should be driving on these. Well, the car's cambered, so only this half of the tire really is on the ground. But when I drive hard, obviously the body of the car like moves this way, so I feel like the whole tire hits the ground. And then I've seen a little more tread get off that tire, so I gotta fix that. So I'm not gonna be driving fast or anything. We're just going to a little midnight like JDM style meet. But I don't know if you guys saw by the beginning of the video, my car's so damn dirty, so let's go ahead, grab my drying towel, and you know, why not take a rag too? That's dirty. Throw that in there, and then get a cold start and head to a car wash. My whole family is asleep right now, so I am sorry. I guess that's all I'm gonna say. Oh my god. Jesus. Bro, you can't even hear me talk. What? Damn, bro. Oopsies. Didn't let her warm up that long, but I moved her outside because, you know, I'm not trying to bother my family sleeping. And also, dude, I want a new camera, dude. I want to have, like, good quality at night or whatever. But, you know, we're still recording on my iPhone. Like and subscribe. We're out. Yes, I know it's dark. And, you know, trying to produce more content, so I was like, screw it. Even though I'm pretty freaking tired, I'm not gonna lie. Might as well just go to this meet and just upload. You know, we have our homeboy Aaron joining us in our video tonight, so that's gonna be fun. I don't even know what to title this video, and I just hit that little blue bump. I want to thank you guys for the support on the last video. You know, the video did great. I didn't even want to upload it, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, bro, is it really worth uploading? Like, I was thinking about how I was like overthinking this so much. I was like, I just worked pretty hard on this video. I spent all my time up, like, making the video, uploading it, and you know, I was like, it's my last day of school. Like, who even cares about like my last day of school or whatever? And I was like, I don't know, man. Like, I thought people were gonna make fun of me and be like, why are you uploading this? And then I was like, screw it, I'm just gonna upload it. I'm gonna post it on my story. I want to see how it does. It was more vlog related. It was less car content, because I know car content is all I do, basically. Nothing else much. But dude, it ended up being my best video. It's like, well, not, I want to say my best video, but like the amount of views that it's gotten, the amount of time, it actually did pretty good. And it wasn't a bad video. I think I could have done way better, but it was actually pretty cool. So if you guys want to go back and watch that video, I would appreciate it a lot. But otherwise, we're heading to the car wash. We're gonna go through that drive-through one. And yeah, that's making noise. There's been a lot of cops out lately. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! This is like one of the most surreal feelings, I swear. Driving to the car wash. And we stop. Why are you putting your handbrake up? It's an automatic! The water still leaks from there. Still kind of annoying. Oh my god, look at the water, guys. My car is getting washed for like the third time. No, it's been like at least the 8th time this month that I washed this car. Guess what? New job starts on Monday. Guess what? Your boy's gonna be an electrician for the time being. But you know, I'm already like a famous YouTuber, you know. Yeah. No, I'm not. It's gonna be full time, you know. I'm gonna start focusing more on life, because I'm out of high school. Stack some bread, buy another car, modify this car, and the first things I'm gonna do is I ordered new tires. I think I said that already. I'm gonna get those mounted on, and then we're gonna go on a canyon run. I want to do this thing where like I go on the canyon run first, how the car is right now, and then I want to do all the bushings, the control arm bushings, like the suspension bushings. I want to do all of those, and I might play with some fitment too. I don't know if I want to get like Megan Racing upper control arms, because I want more tire on the ground for more grip, you know. I want to do this like a canyon slash show car, if you guys get me. So yeah, we're gonna see how everything goes, but I do desperately need new brake pads and rotors. Damn. Because like maybe I should hold the towel right there. Pads and rotors, because these brake pads throw out way too much brake dust and it's annoying. And I don't even know what else I'm gonna do next. You know, I'm gonna start putting money aside because you guys know what I want next. I don't know, Corvette, everyone has one though. Like, I don't know if it's played out or anything, but at the end of the day, it is kind of what I want, so it's whatever. Drive my car, drive my freaking car. What I like most about this wrap, all the water kind of just falls off. You know, it feels like ceramic coated or something. So it's like really easy to dry. It's no biggie. As long as you have a blow dryer, and then you can literally just go over it with a towel like this. You know, literally look, there's like barely anything to dry in the car. So nothing too crazy. Just gotta get these wheels clean. I'll show you guys the car once it's clean. I'm gonna show you guys the car in a little bit because there's a guy outside and he said he liked the car, but I'm not really comfortable because it's kind of late at night. I know I'm a dude, I shouldn't care, but you never know. So I'll show you guys actually at the gas station. I think that would be a better spot. Watch this, watch this. Oh wait, no, wrong side. Wait. Yeah. And my sound system, I still haven't fixed that. We'll get to it one day, boys. Stopped at this little spot. You know, the car looks cool. I might make a TikTok right now, just for the fun of it. Be like, go follow me on TikTok, by the way. The car's been doing me pretty good. Hold on, bro. This camera's making my paint look too bright. There you go. It looks more like that. But she looks great. The wheels, though, bro. Sheesh. Looks so clean. So, if you guys want to see more of the car, go follow me on TikTok, because that's where I post most of it. And then we'll head to that meet in just a bit. Look who pulled up. Oh my god, we're matching. Alright, we are heading out now. He's gonna get coilover soon, so don't mind that monster truck fitment, but there's a tunnel, so on the way where I'm going, so why won't we go hit that tunnel, sir? Get there. Alright guys, so we gotta go this way. This is Forza Horizon. I don't know how I got first person Forza Horizon, but I got it. We keep it under 55 anyway, so don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. No way, it's a red light. No, whatever. Car wash, car meet. We made it. Oh my god, this is such a cool car. Look at his wheels, look at everything. Oh my god. Look at his interior. What the fuck is that, man? Why is there the loudspeaker in the back, bro? This is the whole thing. It's pretty cool. I want to upload more car stuff, and you know, this is like a midnight meet, so let's take a walk. Aaron's SC. Bro, this shit's mint condition. Never seen a more mint car in my life. I want one of these, bro. GR Corolla? Dude, it's like 100 horsepower per cylinder, and it's fucking cool. I want to get one and just drive it on the dirt rally and crash and commit, die. And then bro is matching me. Oh my god, he's matching me. Parking hazard on his hood, bro. Alright guys, so someone lost their rear bumper on the freeway and they put it in the back. You know, it's kind of tough. He's on Tesla stock. Bro, that's like fire dude right there. Oh my god, this is how I do. Holy guacamole, we got the manzana on white wheels. And we got the parking hazard again. The compas over there. Where am I looking? Oh my god. Oh no. Yeah, that's why I didn't go that way. I was thinking about going that way, but I was like, dude, I can't. That's like the red Jose wants to go with. Ah, that's a tree. Hold on. Let me lock in. That's a pretty sick shot right there. The G's for all you G boys. know your content. Sheesh. Give me your tandem, sir. Oh my god, why am I so zoomed in? Oh my god. Oh my god, the pink wheels. Oh my god. I just pulled out. Oh my god. Bro, I'm literally a little kid all over again every time I see it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Bro. Oh, that's a fire picture. Godzilla. Yeah. Why is it? Look at it, bro. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I just watched, dude. I just watched bro rip off the bumper of his car and then just hand it to someone else. Wait, whose bumper did they rip it off of? I'm just gonna casually walk over here. Oh, this seems like it's that one right there. That Honda Civic. Is bro just gonna? What is bro doing? Bro, I literally watched him like just grab and just fucking yank it off. Bro, La Mamalona just parked next to me, bro. The Cub Pro Max. I don't even know. Dude, this thing's like brand new. Look at that. This thing's like right off the lot. Bro, that's crazy. These things come out with 5-liter Coyotes. But does he have a 4-liter 1UZ with 250 horsepower? No, I don't think so. Yes, yes, yes. The good stuff's coming by. We got a R33 GT2 ST. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Sheesh, clean, bro. And we got a Prelude. And then there comes an S5 Tizzle, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Beautiful. Mint. R32. Oh, it's a GT. Oh, what the fuck? And we got a Civic with a big wing on it. Look, a G80. Oh my god. And a Corvette that's missing half of the Corvette. Dude, that thing is slam. Jeez. And V6 Charger, supercharged Audi, and another RS6. Some guy in the truck has a 2-star. Check out this. Super clean. And GTR. Bro, imagine driving these in the Canyon. Oh my god. By the way, Canyon POV drive coming soon. You know, I was gonna record one the other day, but let's just say I forgot the little screw thingy from my head mount to like screw the GoPro in. So I was driving back and then my battery light turns on. And then it turns out I didn't even have the right battery in my car. And it turns out my alternator... Can you not let me talk this? But yeah, my alternator went out, but I fixed everything. We just need new tires in the rears and we'll be going on a Canyon run next week. So expect that video, which will be coming soon. And yeah, bro, why do you have a 2-step in your truck, bro? I think it's this guy right here. Oh my god. Before we end the video, there's another tunnel, so let's go through that tunnel real quick. Forza content, remember? It's always. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And then there's like a bump here, so I have to like go slow. Damn. Kaboom. We're done. But dude, already, man, like I just said, these like, it's the brake dust, like it's super annoying. So I want to buy new brake pads and rotors. I've said that for the 10,000th time, but nah. It actually makes me mad because like I just washed the car and then like it goes, like the brake dust, like it goes from the wheel to like right here, like you can see right there. It goes right there and it just bundles up a crap ton. It goes right there too. Bundles up a crap ton and just dirties the car a lot. It's kind of annoying because I wash my car way too much, more than a normal person should. But she looks amazing. People like the car, and you know, it's cool. Next week, you know, start work, But in the weekend, I'm gonna drop a POV drive for you guys. We're gonna rip this car around the canyons and get new tires on it, on the rear. The fronts are completely fine, so it's because I don't know what happened, but this did that a little too much on that side. So, you know, open differential, you know, in Forza, bro. I don't even know what you mean, bro. It happened in Forza. But otherwise, like, yeah, I want to do a canyon run POV drive. This time I won't forget anything. I'll actually go prepared instead of my car almost dying out on me, but she's all fixed, so we're all good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this mini video. You know, I was just trying to be more consistent with my uploads. I know you guys see a lot of my hand a lot. I hope you guys liked it. You know, you guys need to see some gym content for real. We got to do like a gym run one of these days and just record the gym, because, you know, what was that? I don't know what that was. You know, that little vlog that I did the other day, it did a lot better than usual. So I want to upload more videos like that now that I see you guys actually enjoy them. So consistency, that's all I got to do. I hope to grow, reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're at 424, and that's like insane. Like, bro, imagine like there's a whole line of 424 people right here, bro. Like, that's crazy. Like, I appreciate every single one of you. Like, it makes me super emotional that people actually, you know, support this. Like, every time like I work on this car, I get frustrated with it. I always think like, I love my car to death, yes, and you know, other people's opinions shouldn't care, but like, there's people out here supporting me, even though I thought I never had the support. You know, most of the time I'm alone. I do a lot of stuff alone on the car, and like, I just fight my mental battles alone or whatever. And like, just knowing that there's some people out there that are willing to support me, you know, just leaving a like in the comment, like, that does so much for me. Like, I appreciate it more than you know. I appreciate all the little things in life, and this is one of the things I appreciate the most. So yeah, thank you guys for everything. You know, on TikTok's been going crazy too. I'm gonna upload some TikTok videos, so I have my links down below if you guys want to go watch that too. Instagram, I don't post much on it, but I will eventually. But otherwise, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys have an amazing night, amazing day, whatever. Make sure you guys eat, you know, get your protein in. I gotta bring some gym content here, just like I said. But make sure you guys have a great day. You know, stay positive. Thank God for everything that's happening, and I hope God's with all of you all. All right, I gotta stop yapping, bro. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.